G'day everyone, Gareth here from Foxwood Beekeeping. Just wanted to share another quick video. For those of you that haven't seen yet, I've just uploaded a video yesterday. We added the super. So check that out. Goes for about 15-16 minutes, but what I wanted to show you was these are my last dragon fruit that are flowering. They're actually closing up now, but my bees absolutely love them, and they come in here rummaging around, frantically collecting pollen. Look at that. There's a couple in here. There's one in there with some nice pollen balls on the back of her legs. If I can get in there. Can't quite get in there. Another one here. Can't really see the bee in that one, but how cool is that? These dragon flowers are amazing. They're huge flowers with lots and lots of pollen. Unfortunately, these ones need to be cross-pollinated with a different variety, and unfortunately there's none of those open. But check them out. And I wouldn't be surprised, they're probably from both of my hives. But they love these dragon fruits when they're open, the flowers. A couple in there as well. Look at them frantically getting this pollen before these flowers close. You can see this one here has completely wilted now and pretty much finished. How amazing is that? Let's go have a look at the activity from the beehive, and we'll be right in their flight path if these bees are going over to those dragon fruit flowers. Look at this. Still cane toads. I have a cane toad stick. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Give us a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone, bye.